Hey guys, this is Vishali, and today I'm here with a different type of craft video, a DIY that you can do at home with your family. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So Everyday Deals so kindly sent me a diamond painting. So the package that you can see is the package they sent me, and I'm going to unpack this package for you guys and show you what is inside it. And they actually let me choose the painting. There are many beautiful diamond paintings on their website, which is everydayedeals.com. I leave some links down below in the description box if you want to buy these beautiful paintings. So here, as you can see, these are the paintings from Everyday Deals. I will share the link for the painting that I'm going to show you here in this video as well. And they have a buy one get one free deal going on, so I'll leave the link for that too. Plus they have all for 3.99 euros paintings as well, so you'll get all the links in description box. So let's take a look what is inside. So this is a really nice canvas material, you can see, but over here it has the plastic sheet that you can peel it out, and then you start sticking the diamonds. So this has a sticky surface. So quickly, let's open this and see what is inside. It's a large 90 by 45 size painting. They actually let me pick the painting, and I really love this one out of their tons of beautiful paintings. So this painting actually comes with this little tray. Let me open this to show you guys what is inside this package. So this small packet has this little tray inside it, and there is a square piece of wax that will be used for sticking diamonds. And here is one more thing. It's a kind of tool, a kind of pen that will be used for like grabbing the diamonds and sticking on the paintings. So I have got two of these small packets. Let me show you. Other than this, it has these small diamonds in small packets on which you can see a number. Each packet has different numbers. So these small diamond packets, it has numbers, and these numbers are actually all color coded for us. So you see how beautiful are these diamonds. And these are all diamonds that I got with this painting. So this is how this painting looks. Here are the details of this painting, like the size and number. So this painting actually looks like this. If you are not familiar with the diamond painting, you see it has some numbers, letters, and some symbols you can see here. And here you see a table which shows how you have to stick the diamonds using these color codes. So this is a DIY diamond painting. It is not finished and you need to finish it yourself. So initially it looks like this. So now you see in this table, number one is already color coded for letter A, and I have put some diamonds in the tray already, and this is the packet that has written number one. Here you see letter A. Now peel out this plastic, and here I'll show you how you can stick these diamonds on painting. So this is the wax, and you need to fill some wax in this diamond grabbing tool like this. You need to shake the tray so that the diamond comes in right position, and then grab a diamond and directly stick it on the letter. So this is all you need to do. Very relaxing and fun to do. This painting is a large size painting, so it took me around a week to complete this one. But you can visit to their website everydayedeals.com. There you'll get so many different sizes and styles of diamond paintings. And here's the final reveal of this gorgeous diamond painting. And you can see this painting has turned out really beautiful. I really want to thank Everyday Deals for sending me this gorgeous painting. And if you guys want to buy this painting, this particular painting and other paintings, then you can check out the links in description box. And do not forget to visit their website, which is everydayedeals.com. There you'll get so many different sizes and styles of diamond paintings. Here are some details of this painting you can see in this picture. And I have put one more picture here so that you'll get an idea how this painting will look on wall. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like this video, and do comment what you think of this painting. And I'll see you guys in my next DIY video.